No, this is just like unbelievable. I didn't think that when I came out it would be this bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, people made sure of that. Yep. Yeah. Oh, his development maybe? Yeah. Can't get in it? Yeah. He's trying to help.
Yeah, but he's got four-wheel drive. He knows how to drive.
Very interesting right here. Wow.
We
survived it.
To people.
Let me record you getting stuck.
He's like, fuck you and your camera.
Annoying orange, he ain't shit.
Oh, oof. It's kind of a cool view. How big the mounds are on
You
both
want to see
sides.
how business is at McDonald's?
Oh, actually, no, I see cars. People are actually going to McDonald's.
Yeah, how the hell they must be getting in all the way.
I'm also trying to watch where I walk. Here's our snow relief. Cool.
Oh yeah, because you can use those. Yeah. You can pull stuff, for cutting the grass. Yeah, they are. You don't stop. It's freaking heavy, man. They got the maintenance service.
Yeah, that's what that kid was saying. They don't have to shovel their driveways. They have people that do it for them. Hi.
Actually, she could have some tunneling into stuff.
Yeah.
It's easier this way.
There ain't nobody gonna stay in a single file.
Okay.
Bobcat's cool. Just to watch that thing work, man, is amazing.
Yeah, and it's smaller. Just wait till they get to our street. That'll be fun.
You know what? My brother John's got a Bobcat. I'll bet that's how he's doing his. He's probably helping his neighbors, too, because that's the kind of guy he is.